Complete renovation and expansion, almost 3 years of design and quality construction with meticulous attention to detail, all while preserving the residence's timeless elegance and architectural integrity under the rigorous scrutiny of the Coral Gables Historical Preservation Department. Soaring royal palm trees lead the way to the foyer and welcoming center courtyard. The functional floor plan includes a spacious great room with vaulted ceilings, an original idyllic wood-burning fireplace, large kitchen open to the dining. The owner's suite addition has double closets and a fabulous bath. 3 other ensuite bedrooms. Exquisite finishes, built-out closets, impact glass, French doors, room for pool, plans available, and more. Lovely tree-lined street in the heart of Urban Gables.